Hello, Namaste everyone. I'm Deepa Parajuli from the Institute of Agriculture and Animal Science, IAS, Bhubaneswar University, Kirtipur, Nepal. Recently pursuing my postgraduate in MSc Agriculture in Horticulture Department, I'm going to present a video presentation on my assigned topic, that is Commentaries article. In general, commentary are short, narrow-focused article comment, not just simply reporting or summarizing the work, but giving own in-depth opinion and insight about someone's work and synthesizing each point to come up with a good conclusion. In this context, I have taken a review article entitled Application of Genetically Modified Organism, Crop Technology and its Implications in Modern Agriculture by Sayali, published in the International Journal in Agriculture Science and Food Technology, 8th January 2022. The address and contact details are presented in this slide. Moving on to the introduction, the article described GMOs as organisms with alternation in genetic makeup through genetic engineering techniques, often called GM crop, transgenic plant, and genetically engineered vegetation. GMOs does not occur by natural mating or recombination, rather require biotechnology and microorganism. The author successfully indicates selection and cross breeding as conventional method practiced by the farmers before technology developed. Nowadays, single gene are transferred to gain profit from commercialization, food security, and poverty alleviation. Technology need to be adopted, but the client develop bad sentiments about GMO, affecting its potential development and creating public debate on accepting and rejecting GMOs. Furthermore, the history observed by the author was about 10,000 years ago when vegetation and seed were used for breeding before the chemical reduction. The historic time frame can be divided into ancient, classical, and modern biotechnology. Verma et al. 2011. BT plants were the first evolution in plant to protect from insect, reducing chemical insecticide use and increasing yield by 30 to 80%. In United States, from 1994, genetically modified ingredients were permitted for human consumption, and till 2014-15, nearly 90% planted corn, cotton, and soybeans were genetically modified with higher yield. The evidence present above sustain the food and fiber of increasing population. Talking about the steps to make GMOs plant involve a series of complex steps clearly mentioned by the author. The production initiation does become costly. At first, we need to identify the gene of interest of desired interest, then cloning the gene interest, plant transformation, and insertion of the gene into a transfer vector. The selection of modified plant cell and the degeneration into full plant detect the transformation and identification of the inserted DNA fragment by the performance. At last, the modified plant is tested to access the risks. The benefit of GMOs always have motivated people to accept the technology. The most frequent crop features in transgenic crop field trials were tobacco, corn, tomato, soybean, canola, potato, cotton, rice, and the most frequent trait were herbicide tolerance, insect resistance, product quality, and virus resistance. Belly series et al. 2019. Some highlighted benefit are increased crop productivity, advantage for the environment, often low cost in commercialization, increased value of crop, lower the cost of meal, and safer to the environment, humans, and plants. Though the benefit of GMO uplift production, the negative impact has created a depth between acceptance and rejection. Some impact are the creation of the plant that stay in a soil for a longer period of the time, leaving undesired lasting effect, presenting a hazard to the crop range, being suspected of doing savvy business in the agriculture industry. Antibiotic resistance may worst by GMO, linked to allergic response. In conclusion, food prices are increasing with the population and agriculture production. Many people are suffer from silent hunger and poverty, causing food insecurity. GMO have helped to increase crop yield by introducing high-yielding variety, resistance to biotic and abiotic stress, reducing pest-associated loss, and increasing the nutritional value of the food. The negative impact has equally influenced people, creating debt. The author described the complete knowledge of GMO from history and steps to positive and negative impact in a simple way, which was important to our the people. Here I presented some references. Thank you.